Jet is proud to introduce the JLP-A series of lever hoists, the perfect choice for light to medium duty industrial applications. The JLP-A has a visual notice when it's time to replace worn friction discs. Jet's simplified free chain design works by twisting the hand wheel and is engineered not to free chain under load. Concerned about job site safety? All JLP-A lever hoists have the Weston-style dual-pawl brake design that splits the weight of the load to opposite sides of the ratchet gear for additional safety on the job. Industrial-rated alloy steel hooks rotate 360 degrees and come standard with cast steel latches to provide easy and safe rigging. Every JLP-A series hoist has been load tested to 125% and complies with ANSI, ASME, and HST standards. Like all Jet products, these hoists are backed by Jet Red Assurance with industry-leading warranties and service centers across the country. Choose equipment that maximizes your uptime and where safety comes standard. Jet, job site safety, simplified.